Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Diamond. I share content on lifestyle, health, wellness, and beauty. So if you're interested in stuff like that, go ahead and subscribe. If you haven't already, go ahead and check out my Instagram at The Diamond Mentality. There, I share content on not only my life, but lifestyle, health, wellness, and beauty as well. And I don't post that much on my feed, but check me out on my story. And if you find your way, making your way over to my Instagram, check out my blog. The link is down below. So now that I have all of the formalities out of the way and we know each other now, let's get right into the video. African black soap. All right, if you haven't already, I have multiple videos on my channel on African black soap. African black soap is my holy grail, and it's one of my holy grail products for good reason. It's the solution for hyperpigmentation, breakouts, stretch marks, and honestly, everything in between. What I like so much about African black soap is that it's like a one size fits all for flawless skin, literally on a budget. Unlike the synthetic cleansers that are on the market and that you find at the drugstore, African black soap is handmade with plant-based ingredients and from Africa. Let me stop ranting and raving about African black soap and just get right into the video. Go ahead, check out my blog if you want an in-depth on the benefits and how to use African black soap. I have that information linked there. Number one, African black soap is antibacterial. When dealing with acne, a sort of bacteria, not everyone has it. When you're dealing with acne, you are dealing with some sort of bacteria or infection on the skin, and African black soap is antibacterial. African black soap could combat different types of bacteria that you have in the skin, and it's just a good staple in your skincare routine that's not gonna add any extra acids or anything into your skin that some of these synthetic cleansers do. It's safe for all skin types. If you have dry or sensitive skin, listen to me and listen to me now, okay? You are me and I am you, all right? Because we already know our skin does not handle scents, okay? African black soap in its raw, natural form is unscented, but there are brands out there that do add essential oils into the soap to help your skin, like peppermint. Some have lavender, eucalyptus, whatever the fuck. I don't even start. What eucalyptus? Why can't I say it right now? I used to know how to say that word. Why the fuck can I say it right now? But anyway, they add essential oils into their soaps to help different skin ailments. So if you're someone that has sensitive skin, just make sure you're buying an African black soap that is unrefined, not processed, and does not have any added scents into it. African black soap is naturally fragrance free, so it's good for dry and sensitive skin. And for my oily people out there, you're also in the clear when it comes to African black soap because it balances out the skin's natural oil without over drying the skin and taking oils out. Quick commercial break. At the end of this video, I'm going to show you a recipe that I created myself that helped me in the beginning of using African black soap, help my skin transition to using it alone. There's a lot of people out there that it takes a while for your skin to adjust to the African black soap, so you don't want to just jump in and start using it. You want to use it in progression. So this recipe in the beginning really helped my skin, not only by using the African black soap in a minimal quality that wasn't so harsh for my skin, but also adding one ingredient that helped with my dark marks, hyperpigmentation, and just lightening my skin. So keep watching to the end. It can help soothe irritation. like eczema, psoriasis, contact dermatitis. It may help clear up skin irritations like eczema and rashes. Y'all, I actually suffer from really bad eczema on my forearms here. I might be ashy, okay? Don't judge me, I might be ashy. But on my forearms, I suffer from really bad eczema. Over the past, like, I'm gonna say like 6 months, I've been using African black soap on my elbows, and y'all, the irritation, the itchiness, those nasty ass bumps are gone. Now I'm just working on, I don't know if you could see, but it's kind of dark right here. This arm isn't that bad. This arm used to look like this arm, so maybe I just need to work more regularly on both of them. Like, after it cleared up on me, I kind of stopped using it. It helps soothe eczema, and I am an advocate. I am a witness. I have used it. It worked for me. Give this video a thumbs up if you want to see the process of how I heal the hyperpigmentation that I currently have, and I'm going to do that using the African black soap. African black soap is full of natural ingredients. When left unprocessed and kept in its raw form, which many places do not do that, they do not keep it in its raw form. I have a video on my channel, I'm going to link it up here, but in that video I have comments saying, hey, I've tried African black soap, it hasn't worked for me, it actually broke me out, I'm having rashes, I'm having this, I'm having that. There's so many companies out there that give you processed African black soap. There's actually one company out there that I've mentioned in one of my other videos. I'm actually going to link it up here for you. It's one of my drugstore videos that I have, that, you know, they use processed ingredients. They don't use African black soap in its raw unprocessed forms, and they do not source their ingredients from Africa, from the villages of West Africa, in order to make sure they're getting the realistic and authentic black soap. It helps remove texture from the skin. When African black soap is left in its natural, unprocessed raw form, it can be used as an exfoliant. Not everyone could use black soap as an exfoliant because the texture and the roughness of the soap can cause irritation to the skin. But at the end of the video, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys a way that you could use the soap that won't cause irritation. You already know I'm an advocate for exfoliation, so wherever you could get your exfoliation in, I'm about it. It can help reduce hyperpigmentation. You know that, right? Listen, hyperpigmentation is caused by acne scarring. It's caused by sun damage. You already know. What do I say to us melanin people? If you're a part of my channel, what do I say? We are melanated. We need sunscreen. Always, 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 always do not leave the house without your sunscreen. I have a video on the different type of sunscreens that work on melanated skin. Check it out. African black soap is one of those products that is made, literally, it is made for us, by us, but also it is made to help what? Combat acne scarring and combat hyperpigmentation. It's anti-fungal. There's one study using African black soap that showed African black soap was effective on several different funguses. You could use African black soap not only on your face, so don't think of this as only a facial product. This is something that you can use on your skin, you can use on your scalp, you can use in your hair. This is a multi-functioning product that you can use all over your body. And if you encounter any fungus on your body, whether that's contact dermatitis, fungus in your scalp, fungus on your face, athlete's foot, fungus in your feet, you could use African black soap. Girl, you talking about all these benefits, but where do benefits come from? I got you. The benefits of African black soap, it comes from the ingredients. Cocoa pods, coconut oil, palm tree leaves, palm kernel oil, palm oil, plantain bark. And plantain bark also includes iron, vitamin K, vitamin A, and vitamin E, which are just awesome for your skin. And also shea butter. So all of those ingredients, it's simplified, natural, from the earth, from the motherland herself. And it's just an awesome skincare product that I think everybody black, white, Mexican, Asian, Dominican, whatever. Everybody should have African black soap in their beauty routine. It's just a must. It's a must. I can't live without it, and I feel like everybody else shouldn't be able to live without it because it's just that good, and it's so affordable that it's just like, why not have it just in case? That's all I have for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Share this video if you think it will help someone. Have a good night. You're gonna grab your African black soap. This African black soap that I'm using here, you can find at skinbysaint.com. You're gonna cut the black soap into small pieces. I'm using just enough to make one face wash. This is totally up to you. Then you're gonna put it away in an airtight Ziploc bag or container. You're gonna add your black soap to a bowl with just a little bit of water. I'm gonna say 2 parts the same amount of black soap that you have. Add it to that bowl of water and mash it into small pieces, kind of like you're smashing a banana. Once you have it all smashed down to your liking, you're going to add honey. I like to use raw organic honey. Honey is an antibacterial. It's also softening for the skin and brightening for dark marks. Mix until all ingredients are fully combined. The purpose of this is to have a liquefied, moisturizing version of your African black soap without the bits and pieces and particles that could cause skin irritation. So what you want to do is separate your liquid from the actual black soap that you have in the bowl. This leaves you with something smooth and texture free, and also something that is diluted and not as strong as just using the raw African black soap on your face. This is going to help your skin gradually get used to the African black soap so that eventually with time you'll be able to use the raw bar form of the soap without irritation. And that's it, you guys. You have your honey infused African black soap that you could use on your skin when you're first starting out in order to transition to using the raw soap. I hope this helped you. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.